So yesterday we went to the beach and we had this beautiful experience that we had this tub of iced water and it was 0 degrees centigrade, and we went in and stayed there for 90 seconds. It was cold, but it was doable. So the key is when you go in, you have to do long exhales, and after your breath is regulated in this ice cold water, you can actually, when the temperature is regulated, when your breath is regulated, you can actually start breathing normally through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. It's a fastest way to detox, and it's an amazing experience. The other beautiful thing we did, right before the sun sets, we actually had sun gazing. Basically, we were looking directly into the sun to get the energy of the sun through the optic nerves and kind of like lighten up our body with that. And it was amazing. We kind of looked at the circle of the sun and it was changing the shape, it was changing the look. And then we saw it going down to the horizon, to the ocean. And at the very end, when it's right before it's going down, the group, we all started saying 4 times before. It's kind of like a ritual before the sun sets. And that was also a very beautiful experience that we did yesterday.